was the last time you truly appreciated your body? If you're anything like myself, you do not realize how valuable your body really is until you become sick or ill, ending up in a doctor's office or perhaps maybe even the hospital. Taking biology and human physiology classes in high school gave me a glimpse of how extraordinary our bodies really are. But it wasn't until I decided to pursue the field of nursing that I realized how incredibly lucky I am to have a body that serves me in 11 different ways on a daily basis. The best part of it all is that I don't even have to ask. As long as I maintain it, it will continue to serve me. The human body is amazing indeed. According to Elaine N. Mariab and Katja Hohen, authors of Human Anatomy and Physiology, the body is divided into 11 different organ systems, each one maintaining a different purpose and function. Today, I'd like to briefly touch upon each system along with its function. Let us begin with one of my favorite organ systems, the integumentary system. When we think of this system, we think outside. This system forms the exterior of our body. Its major parts include our hair, nails, and skin. This system helps protect mainly from heat, bacteria, and water loss. It houses sweat glands as well, which help serve in excretion. Now that we've touched upon our body's exterior, let us move more inward to our skeletal system. The skeletal system is also a system that protects as well as supports. Without our skeletal system, our bodies would be nothing but a pile of other organs and tissues on the ground. Not such a pretty picture, is it? The main parts of the system include bones and joints. Along with structure, the skeletal system is used to form blood cells. Using my assistant, I'd like to show you a few major bones. Number 1, the skull. Number 2, the vertebral column. Number 3 is the humerus all the way down to the carpals of the hand. And number 4, the femur down to the metatarsals of the foot. Next, we will discuss the muscular system. The muscular system, shown here, is a system of movement. Without it, we would not have locomotion or be able to show facial expressions. It also helps to maintain posture and produces body heat. It is composed mainly of skeletal tissues and muscles. Next on the list is the nervous system. Our body's nervous system is composed of the brain, spinal cord, and many nerves. The purpose of the nervous system is to respond to external and internal stimuli and activate an action accordingly. According to Mosby's Guide to Physical Examination, 3rd edition, the nervous system is responsible for both sensory and motor functions. From the nervous system, let's move on to the endocrine system. The body's endocrine system consists of many glands, the thyroid, adrenal, and pineal gland, to name a few. The function of these glands is to secrete hormones and regulate processes such as growth and metabolism. Now we will turn our attention to the cardiovascular system. Now we have come to the system that keeps things pumping, literally. The cardiovascular system includes blood vessels such as arteries and veins, along with the heart. Together they transport blood that carries oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and wastes. Now that we have things pumping, we can move to the lymphatic system. Our body's lymphatic system is responsible for immunity. It consists of red bone marrow, the thymus, lymph nodes, and the largest organ in the system, the spleen. Together they pick up fluid that has been leaked out from blood vessels, along with debris in the lymphatic stream. If it weren't for the lymphatic system, foreign substances would not be removed from our bodies. We will now discuss the respiratory system. Our respiratory system deals with 2 major chemical compounds, oxygen and carbon dioxide. It consists of the nasal cavity, the pharynx, larynx, lungs, trachea, and bronchus. Their function is to keep blood supplied with oxygen so it can be dispersed throughout the rest of the body. Now that we've caught our breath, let's move on to the digestive system. Our body's digestive system is more than our stomach. It also includes the oral cavity, esophagus, liver, small and large intestine, which is shown here. It also includes the rectum and the anus. Its jobs include breakdown of food and preparing indigestible materials to feces. According to Barbara Bates, author of A Guide to Physical Examination and History Taking, 6th edition, diarrhea is from an infection in the intestinal mucosa, so maintaining a healthy digestive system is very important. Working with the digestive system to eliminate waste is the urinary system, our next system. The main function of the urinary system is to eliminate nitrogenous waste. Organs include the kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Finishing off our list of organ systems, last but certainly not least, is the reproductive system. Depending on your sex, your reproductive system varies in structure. Of course, no matter what your sex, the purpose of the reproductive system is the same, to produce offspring. The male system includes the penis, testis, scrotum, and prostate gland. The female version includes the mammary glands, which are found in the breasts, ovaries, uterus, uterine tube, and vagina. In closing, we can see that our body includes many functions and purposes between its numerous organ systems. Whether it's our respiratory system providing us with oxygen, or our cardiovascular system pumping our blood, we have all of them to thank for maintaining a healthy balance that keeps our bodies running day in and day out.